I haven't had loads of trades in for this stuff. The major stuff I have, but in generally I've tried to do as much as I can myself. Exactly how I went from living in this house in this picture to this house. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe. One basically quick overview of what we've done with this house since we bought it. Look at my other videos on my channel. I've catalogued, vlogged all the stuff of what I've done with this house. Basically from moving in, from selling a house to moving in to doing up 4 houses, and this is the 4th house we've done up. I haven't had loads of trades in for this stuff. The major stuff I have, but in generally I've tried to do as much as I can myself. Got told to trim all these bushes, to take all these conifers out here. There are 10 conifers here, and to trim this tree down, which is quite big. I need to get them down actually. Will be over £1,000. I bought a harness for 45 quid. I've got my mum's chainsaw, and I got some trimmers, and I ripped up the 10 conifers from here and then put all that in there. I climbed up there, used my harness, and I cut some of the wood, some of the branches down, and made it more manageable. And I've got to do some more. As you can see, it needs to cut that. I need to cut that bit down there. All this was like way up here past that lamppost. I cut that all the way there and at the front. We put a new front door in. This is all going to be rendered very soon, but the English weather's been pretty crap at the minute. We put this patio door in because basically before it was a front door there and a window there. As you can see, it's been bricked up, and that's going to be covered because it's going to be all rendered. That was a front door, that was another front door, that was like a granny annex with a shower room. It's been over a year, but we're doing a lot of stuff. Basically, as you can see, I don't know if I can find a picture of the kitchen before, but now this is the kitchen now. Yes, the bin is there, whatever, but we've got an extractor fan up there. We've got all that done, all that's in there. We did that done. We put all these quartz countertops in. We can see if I've got a picture of this room, basically. But we did all this, painted it, put that in, got it plastered, painted it. I put these lights in. This bathroom was the bathroom's here. I put in this. I put in the toilet. Didn't put in that. I put the shower tray in. I also put the shower door in. We've got to work on this to make it a bit more nice and presentable, like sand bits like this down and make them nice. And we have got to paint these bits, sand them and paint these. Fix up these bits here that are just buggered, and I scraped all this, which I really shouldn't have done. We put a new bathroom in. New tiles, new bathroom, all this stuff, made it look really nice. It looks like before, but you see how this banister comes up and it's all nice like this. Well, before, like, I'll show you a picture. I'll pop up a picture now of what it looked like before. Around there, I think. And then, what have I done in the past week? Bam, bang, there you go. I put that in myself. In the past week. Now if you get a joiner, it would have took a day or something like that, maybe a bit more, probably about a day. It would have cost 250 quid plus all the wood. This banister cost about 45 quid, and then all this wood here, I think that cost about 70 quid, so 120, 130 quid give or take, to put this banister in. And then I had the tools myself to do it. The bedrooms get in there, clean up those skirting boards, paint a bit more. This is getting all wallpapered, this wall. I put that in myself, all that myself. And then obviously you've got the you've seen the Velux, I think, before. And they put a Velux in here in this house. Nice Velux. Before it was very, very dark. That Velux was put in by a professional, but I plasterboarded around it to make it look really nice. I put these spotlights in. Obviously it needs a bit more painting around the place. What else is there in this house? This is the scary room that, well, I did a video basically about a scary room, and now basically it's just my little storage room, as you can see. Nice little storage room for all my work stuff and my tools. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I added that piece of wood. This piece of wood actually, if you saw in the picture prior, there was a little piece of wood in the middle to hold up the two strips of wood. That was this. I cut it to size down there. Bought this. I wanted to do it in one piece, but I couldn't get it up the stairs with one piece, so I cut it in half, screwed it back together, and I cut all these pieces of wood and put it in, and the wife's super happy. We've done a hell of a lot of stuff ourselves to save on, and now we wanted to get it rendered, but the weather is doing our head in with this house. So, because we need to get the scaffolding up, that costs money, then the rendering, all that stuff, preparing the outside, putting the the matting, netting stuff to put your render over to hold it on. It's going to take a while. So I don't know if it's going to be this year or next year. And obviously my next door neighbour needs some stuff doing, so he's got to have some of the scaffolding on his side, so it's keeping him in the know as well as us. But let's go downstairs and explain. I'm going to explain basically what's happening and what's to come next. Alright, it's really, when you find a good trade, stick with them. We found some good trades and we're sticking with them because it's so hard to find a real good, not affordable, but worth the money trade, because it does a good job. If you can learn to do things yourself, like joinery, changing lights in a house, painting, the odd little bit of plumbing, if you can learn how to do it, there's everything's on YouTube. If you can learn how to do that kind of stuff, do it. If it's your own house, what does it matter? If it's your own house, just do it. If you make a mistake, you'll wait for it to dry, you chisel it off and you start again, or you wait for it to dry and you go over it again, you try and do it again. Learn, learn, learn. I know you point, oh well, you're taking money away from trades. Not every trade is great. We've been through 4 plasters in this house. 2 of them have been crap, and 2 have been really good. Good trades are hard to find. When you can find one, stick with them. But like I said, if you can do your stuff yourself, do stuff yourself. But then anyway, thanks for letting me waffling on. I mean, I waffle on, but that's just the way it is. And you might think I'm daft, but me and my wife, I won't say we're frugal, but we watch our money. I like to put my money into things that are going to improve and help me learn. I bought tools and I use those tools for many things. It's made my life so much easier. If I had to cut those spindles and that banister upstairs by hand, there's no way I would have been able to get those angles perfect, but I used the mitre saw to get them perfect, and it helped me so much. And when putting the loft ladder in, it helped me so much to do that, because I got a circular saw and I cut the wood. I did cut the wood and I used a mitre saw to cut all the banisters. I did everything. It was amazing, and they've helped me so much, these tools. So buy tools and do the job yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know I haven't got many subscribers. Subscribe for me, it's free to subscribe. I wouldn't mind by the end of the year 2023 having almost 1,000 subscribers. It probably isn't going to happen because I've been doing this YouTube now for 6 years and I've only got 491 subscribers, so I'm not making any money off it, so it's just all a hobby for me. How have I got 30,000 views, 20,000 views, 10,000 views, 5,000 views on some videos? And I'm like, come on now. Hit that subscribe button and like button. If you can't do something, learn from it. How do you think I learned how to do stuff? YouTube, and try to figure out myself. But anyway, thanks again for watching. I'll see you all soon. And what can I say? Do your house up. Boom.